Hey, this is Mike Klijanowicz coming to you from Perry Hall Meadows. It's a community that's kind of like Orchard Crossing. It's semi-detached homes that are roughly 3,200 square foot in size. They do vary from 3 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms depending on the house that you get. There is a private cul-de-sac back here. It's a little quieter than Orchard Crossing was because it's a little farther back from I-95 and it's a little bit more kind of private. Now the trees have really started to grow in that they planted when it was first built. You can kind of see how everything's grown up around me, but it's really nice and it's a community setting. They have a little gazebo back here with the private patio as well. But I've sold, gosh, I don't know, probably at least 12 of these homes back here through the years. And in Orchard Crossing, which is the one right next door, which I just posted a video about, I probably sold the same 10 to 12 of those too. So, but I've been a licensed agent since 2005. Been with a couple different companies with Remax. Excuse me. And now I'm with Cummings and Company Realtors right out of Perry Hall on Bel Air Road. So, but I've been in the business since 2005. I've sold over 950 homes, and I've closed over 350 million in volume. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home in Perry Hall or around that area, White Marsh, or even up in Harford County, which is where I live in Falston, give me a call or shoot me a text on my direct cell. That's the best way to get me. It's 410-236-3331. That number again, 410-236-3331. I'd be happy to run comps for your own particular house, whatever your house is compared to everything else on the market. Give you a nice breakdown, statistical breakdown, show you what homes are selling for, give you an idea what a net would be that you'd walk away with when all is said and done for your particular situation, and see if that works, with you, or if it doesn't work, So, completely free, no obligation. That's up to you what you decide to do. So, thanks again for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hope you learned a little bit about Perry Hall Meadows and what it has to offer. And, if you'd like to see more, well, whenever something comes on the market, I'll show it to you. But they don't come on the market very often. They sell pretty quick. So, anyway, talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.